This button just created a composition in After Effects. Background, text, 2 animations with keyframes already in place. No template opened, no click inside After Effects, just one Magic Automa button. The trick is the same one you saw with Photoshop. After Effects has a complete scripting interface, open for 20 years, and everything you do by hand, comps, layers, text, keyframes, the render queue, has a matching command. In this video, we look at the After Effects script action, your scripts, community scripts, and 3 ready-made demos from the package. How it works. After Effects scripts are text files with the JSX extension, Extend script, Adobe's JavaScript dialect, the same as Photoshop. Magic Automa sends them to After Effects from the outside through the official channel. Nothing gets installed inside AE. No plugin, no panel. One rule. After Effects must be running. If it's closed, the action tells you clearly instead of launching it behind your back. And if you do want it launched, there's a checkbox for that. Your scripts live in the After Effects scripts folder of Magic Automa's documents, and 3 ready-made demos are already there. The action has 3 fields, the script path, and if the file sits in the After Effects scripts folder, the name alone is enough. The arguments, which we'll get to in a moment, and the checkbox that starts After Effects if it's closed. Let's start with the test info demo. It asks After Effects who it is and what it's holding. Run, and the answer lands in the log, version, open project, how many comps there are, and the active comp with resolution, frame rate, and duration. That's proof the channel works. The last line of the script is the value that comes back, and Magic Automa shows it in the log. True for any script. Second demo. It exports the current frame of the active comp as a PNG on the desktop. Here comes the important piece, arguments. You type the values in the actions box, and the script receives them in the MA_arguments array. The first one, here, is the file name. I park the playhead on the frame I like, run, and the PNG is on the desktop, perfect for client previews or thumbnails. Change the name, run again, same button, another file. One script, as many presets as you want. And now the demo from the intro explained. Title card. It builds a full HD composition from scratch, dark background, and a centered title that fades and scales in. Real keyframes. Easing already set. 3 arguments. The text, the color in hex, the duration in seconds. Episode 12, blue. Run again, second card, ready in a second. The layer is always called title. Remember that, because in the next video the ready-made actions will look it up by name. If you make intros, openers, or lower thirds that always look the same, this is your new starting point. How far can you push it? Scripting covers practically all of After Effects. Projects, comps, layers of every kind, properties and keyframes, effects, the render queue. The After Effects community has been writing scripts for 20 years. The JSX files you find online, or I've written for you, work as they are, into the folder, and from there onto a button. To recap, After Effects script action, path relative to the scripts folder, arguments in MA_arguments. The last line comes back in the log, and After Effects running, or the checkbox that starts it for you. In the next video, for everyday operations, you won't even need the script. Comps, text, layers, and rendering have ready-made actions. You'll see.